back on our video, and today we're going to be playing. We're going to be continuing Fireboy and Lava Girl. Seems like we are going to continue this because I failed last level, so let's get into it. If you see this mouse, like that green, yellow circle around the mouse, sorry about that. I can't fix that. Almost died off the bat. That part always gets me. Boys and girls. Jump. We ain't forgetting this gem. Brett. Okay, I can't jump back up to get that gem, sadly. Okay, we messed up last time on this one part where we tried getting that gem, but it failed. Ooh, that was a fail. You didn't get any of the gems then. Excuse me, can I get back down, please? Yeah, guys, it seems like I can't get back down and get them. Let me try again. Phew. Yeah, I can't get back down. Whew. Okay, that sucked. I didn't really do that well. Come on, Mr. Shoe. No one likes shoes. Okay, man? Okay. Okay, this one. Comment down your favorite character. The fireboy or the water girl. Okay, guys? Make sure to do that. Yeah. Go back up. Jump. Wait. How am I, Okay, so now water girl. Get the Del Taco. They got a new thing. Free shovel I could do. Okay, I was supposed to. I can with my. You get back up. Roll me. Okay. And you go. And you jump. Pull that thing. That's open. You close. You got a sign of citric acid down there. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we didn't get all the crystals, but that's okay. So, we're going to start off with the top. The tops are lucky. You know what I'm saying? Stop it with these shoes. No one wants these shoes, okay, man? No one. Okay, I like the music. Parkour. Got some parkour. Okay, I failed that big time. Okay, so jump. Jump. That was just sad. Okay, guys, this is definitely going to be one of the harder levels that we're going to do. That was intense. Now I cannot fail with this water girl, okay? If I fail with her, I don't know. No! I was doing so good. No. Guys, this level is gonna suck. Okay, I'm actually just trying to get the hang of it. Okay? Wow, Pillar. You mother fudger. Wow! Wow! Wow, dude. Who? Okay, guys, I'm gonna go completely silent now, okay? Okay, guys, the game crashed, so we're gonna leave this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe to see some more of Fireboy and Watergirl. Peace out!